Hello. Today's topic is stem cells and AMD. What are stem cells?
Stem cells are cells with the potential to develop into many different types of cells in the body. They possess immense potential to regenerate and repair damaged, injured and diseased tissue.
Age-related macular degeneration.
The retina is a layer of cells that lines the back wall of the eye and features a pigmented region towards the center of the eye called the macula. The light-sensing photoreceptor cells require support and nutrition to function. In AMD, the nurturing RP cells deteriorate and die. It primarily affects older people above the age of 60. It becomes progressively common as people age and gets worse over time.
Types of AMD.
There are two types of AMD: dry AMD and wet AMD.
In its dry form, the macula of the retina starts to degenerate, and the patient begins to see blind spot. Wet AMD is a more complex type of illness in which aberrant blood vessels develop and leak.
Symptoms of AMD.
1. Spotting vision in the central portion of the eye. 2. Wavy, blurry, and distorted vision. 3. Change in the perception of colors.
Stem cell-based therapy for AMD.
This technique differs from past therapies where there was a significant risk of rejection after implantation. The IPSs are subsequently transformed into RP cells that can grow on a scaffold. As the retina is made ready for transplantation, the RPE patch is picked up in one orientation and brought to the back of the eye and implanted into the retina.